Hello each and everyone, the one who is watching my video. This is Ankita welcoming you to Global Online UGC NET and SET exam preparation channel where we are taking classes on NET SET exams. Okay. So in today's lecture, I'm going to discuss about the new unit that is Business Economics. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about most important MCQ which are important for your upcoming exam 2022. Okay. Before going ahead, one more important thing. Every day at 6, I will be uploading my video on the Global Online UGC NET and SET exam preparation channel. So do visit our channel every day at 6 and do watch my video to clear your upcoming exam. Before going ahead, I want to tell you one more important thing. Students, Global Online is offering course for Commerce Paper-2 for exam 2022 in which we will be providing you full syllabus test series with the detailed explanation, full syllabus notes of all the 10 units, each and every concept we are providing detailed explanation. Then is full syllabus video lectures, that too with the detailed explanation, previous year MCQ with the detailed solution, previous year PDF with the detailed solution. We are providing this course just for rupees 5,000. At present, we are offering this course on offer, that is, we are providing you discount of 20%. If you are taking this course at present, then you will get this course for 20% discount. Okay. And if you are taking this course, the paper 1 we are giving you, that is free of cost, in which we will be providing you 50 mock tests with the detailed explanation, full syllabus video lectures with the detailed explanation. That too, we are also providing live lecture for paper 1. We are also giving you notes on all the 10 units and you will be immediately added in the WhatsApp group. And if you have any problem regarding the syllabus, commerce as well as the paper 1, you can discuss that problem in the group. You can directly contact to the educators. Okay. To join this course, contact on this number and also download our app Global Online. There might be a question in your mind how to download our app. तो आपको प्ले स्टोर में जाना है एंड जस्ट टाइप ग्लोबल ऑनलाइन. फिर आपको कुछ ऐसा लोगो दिखेगा और उस पर आपको क्लिक करना है और आपको ये जो ऐप है वो अपने मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल करना है. ओके. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद अगर आप उसके अंदर जाते हो तो आपको कुछ ऐसा वेव दिखेगा जहां पर आपको कॉमर्स पेपर 2 सर्च करना है और उसमें जाना है और उसके जो कॉमर्स के सारे जो स्टडी मटेरियल है, कुछ वीडियोस है, प्रैक्टिस एमसीक्यू है, वो आपको वहां पर मिल जाएंगे. हम आपको ये कोर्स ऑफर में भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, कुछ डिस्काउंट भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. ये डिस्काउंट आपको वहां पर जाकर ही पता चल जाएगा. तो प्लीज डाउनलोड अवर ऐप टू नो ऑल अबाउट दिस. और अगर आपको कोई भी डिफिकल्टी है तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉन्टेक्ट टू द गिवन नंबर और एल्स यू कैन ऑल्सो डाउनलोड दिस ऐप थ्रू द link which we are providing in the description box. Okay. A firm should shut down in a short run if it is not covering its. एक firm को shut down होना चाहिए if it is not covering its, and the options given are variable cost, then is fixed cost, then is total cost, and last option is explicit cost. A firm should shut down in a short run if it is not covering its a variable cost. In the short run, a firm that is operating at a loss must decide to operate or a temporarily shut down. A shutdown rule states that in the short run, firm should continue to operate if the price exceeds the average variable cost. अगर मानो किसी फर्म की जो रेवेन्यू है वो लेस है देन द टोटल कॉस्ट, उस वक्त जो फर्म होता है उसे अपनी फर्म को शट डाउन करना चाहिए. So the answer for this question will be option number A, that is variable cost. Firm should shut down in the short run if it is not covering its variable cost. The next question here is economic problem arises because of. जो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम होती है वो अराइज होती है क्योंकि एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर wants are unlimited, resources are scarce. Third option is scarce resources have a alternative uses and the last option is all of the above. हमारे जो wants है वो अनलिमिटेड है, उन्हें कोई लिमिट नहीं है एंड जो अपनी रिसोर्सेज है वो कम है मतलब कि स्कैर्स है एंड द स्कैर रिसोर्सेज हैव अ अल्टरनेटिव यूजेस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस द इकोनॉमिक जो प्रॉब्लम है वो अराइज हो रही है. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर इज आइडेंटिफाई द ऑथर ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी एंड टैक्सेशन. यहाँ आपको ऑथर का नाम बताना है जिसने द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी एंड टैक्सेशन ये बुक लिखा है. ओके एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर अल्फ्रेड मार्शल, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज J.S. मिल, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज डेविड रिकार्डो एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज A. टारगोट. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी एंड टैक्सेशन is a book by a David Ricardo on economy. Ricardo claimed in the preface that Targot, Adam Smith, James Baptist says, Sismondi and others had not written enough satisfactory information on the topic of rent, profit and wages. और एक क्वेश्चन जो यहाँ पर आ सकता है कि ये बुक डेविड रिकार्डो ने कब लिखी, तो ये बुक उन्होंने लिखी थी 19 अप्रैल 1817 को. ओके सो द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज डेविड रिकार्डो. The next question here is which is not the central problem of the economy. In this question they ask you given which is not the central problem of an economy and the options given are what to produce, how to produce, how to maximize private profit and for whom to produce. So if you remember we have studied in standard 11 that the problem of economy include the what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. Okay, so how to maximize the private profit is not the central problem of an economy. Some of the central problems that are faced by every country, every economy of a country is a production, distribution and disposition of the goods and the services are the basic economic activity of life. In the course of this activity, every society has to face the scarcity of the resources. So the answer here for this question will be option number C. That is, how to maximize the private profit is not the central problem of an economy. The next question here is economy of the scale are a two kind. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा गया है इकोनॉमी ऑफ स्केल के बारे में एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर टेम्पररी एंड परमानेंट, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल, third option is marginal and industrial and last option is natural and artificial. To answer this question you should know about economy of the scale. Economy of a scale are of a two kind, that is internal and external. Internal economy of a scale are a firm specific or a cost internally, while the external economy of a scale occur based on larger changes outside the firm. Both result in declining the marginal cost of the production, yet the net effect is the same. So the answer for this question will be option number B, that is internal and external. The next question here is identify the economist who had a little formal education and started working in the money market at the अर्ली एज ऑफ 14. ऐसा कौन सा इकोनॉमिस्ट है जिसने थोड़ा फॉर्मल एजुकेशन लेके अर्ली एज में मनी मार्केट में काम करना शुरू कर दिया था एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर David Ricardo. Second option is Adam Smith. Third option is VFD Pareto. And last option is A. Conant. Here the David Ricardo, the economist, had a little formal education and started working in the money market at the age of 14. At the age of 14, he entered into the business with his father, who had made a fortune on the London Stock Exchange. That means the correct answer will be option number A, that is David Ricardo. The next question here is law of return applies to the firm working in. Okay. In this question they ask you about the law of return which is applied to the firms working in, and the options given are perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market where there is a too much buyer and where there is a too much seller. Okay. Means the more buyer and more seller, and there is no restriction on the entry and exit. Second option is monopoly. In the monopoly there is only one seller who is a price maker and not the price taker who set the price. Okay. Third option is small firm, and the last option is all kind of a market situation. The law of return applies to the firm working in all kind of a market situation. A firm's production function would exhibit a different type of a return to the scale in a different range of output. So the answer for this question will be option number D, that is all kind of a market situation. The next question here is which is not the cost of a shift in a cost curve of the firm, and the options given are excess tax. Second option is price of input. Third option is increase in productivity, and last option is price of product. Price of the product is not the cost of a shift in the cost curve of the firm. Cost curve shift is responsible to change its a two factor. If a technical change result in the firm using a more capital, the average fixed cost curve shift upward and a low level of the output. The average total cost curve may shift upward. At the large output level, the average total cost decreases. So the answer here for this question will be option number D, that is price of the product is not a cost of a shift in the cost curve of a firm. The next question here is the standard of a living of the worker depend upon their, जो वर्कर्स की लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड होती है वो किस पर डिपेंड होती है, एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर नॉमिनल वेजेस, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज रियल वेजेस, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज एवरेज प्रोडक्ट, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी. The amount of goods and services which the laborer actually get is called its a real wages, and the standard of a living and the prosperity of the labor depend upon not only on his money wages but on his real wages. So the answer for this question will be option number B, that is real wages. The next question here is which of the following is an example of external economy of the scale. In this question they ask you given which is the example of external economy of the scale, and for this they have given you the options. The first option is discount on a purchase of raw materials. Second option is technical progress lead to development of a machine at a low price. Third option is hiring of specialized staff due to increase in the scale of a production, and the last option is a firm start producing by products. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. Technical progress lead to development and a machine at a low price is an example of external economy of the scale. During my previous lecture, I asked you one question, and the question was which statistical measure help in measuring the purchasing power of money, and the options given was arithmetic average. Here the arithmetic mean or a arithmetic average or a simply just a mean or a average is the sum of the collection of a number divided by the count of a number in the collection. Second option was index number. The index number is an economic data figure reflecting the price or a quantity compared with the standard or the base value. Third option was harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is one of the several kind of the average. And the last option was time series. The time series is the series of a data points index or a listed or a graph in the time order. Okay. So for this question, the correct answer is option number B, that is index number. Index number is a statistical measure which help in measuring the purchasing power of money. So students, this is the last question and you have to answer this question. The question is, suboptimal allocation of the resources under the monopoly to cause the social welfare loss is often inferred as, and the options given are death weight lost, second option is allocation drift, third option is monopoly loss, and last option is opportunity lost. I am waiting for your answer. Please answer in the comment box.